Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can turn your photo into 70s course using style in the CapCut apps. So open the CapCut apps and select new project, select your photo and just click add. So I already opened my project and I already have one photo here. So just click on the photo that you want to make it into 70s look. Okay, select style, swipe to the right until you find the 70s course. Just click on it. Okay, just wait for applying the effects. Okay, so this is the final effects you have on your photo, and yeah, you have to try this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.